How are you? My name is Marini Ngala. Today I want to take you through the definitions of terms in our computer. We have some of them. Number one, we have the term computer. What is computer? It's the electronic device that processes data from input devices to give out desired output or the information. Then here we have number two, data. Data is the raw figures, characters, which are non-meaningful to the computer user and needs to be executed. We have these characters. We have like symbols. We have cases, letters. Therefore, they are raw figures, and they have nothing there, and they are non-meaningful. So here we have number three, information. What is information? Information is the processed data which is meaningful and is displayed on a screen or stored for future reference. Information is what we're looking for after every process here. And then number four, we have processing. This is the series of vigorous activities occurring in CPU, that is central processing unit, through a series of arithmetic calculations of raw data in the form of binary digits to produce more meaningful information data to the user. Then we have bus. This is the parallel electronic pathway that transmits signals from one part of the computer to another. This is just a parallel, but in short, it is pathway. Pathway meaning the data has to go through that one. Then we have here some types of buses. Number one, we have data bus, allows the integration of the systems. This one coordinates the system with the data so that it can perform its function. Then we have control bus. Control means to manage, so manages communication between CPU and its other parts of the computer. Then we have the address bar, an element that locates stored data in the computer. So for you to get the information, you need to come to the address bar. Then we have program software. This is a set of instructions which has been compiled by computer language, and by computer language we have some of the computer language, the JavaScript, we have the C++, we have the SQL, and we have the Python. These are the computer language. You cannot understand them. For them to obey and perform specific tasks as it is outlined by the instructions. Yeah. So for them to run, they must run accordingly. Then number 7, we have data processing cycle, a series of steps in which data follows to be transformed to meaningful information or an output. This is just as it is a cycle, something that it is just like this, a circle. It have to start somewhere and then maybe come back somewhere producing something else. So here we have some steps to be followed in data processing cycle. Number one, we have the data input. What it does, it only gathers and collects data from the stored devices and feed them into the system. Yeah, we have some memory cards. We have from the ROM, from the RAM. Those are the storage devices that stores. And then after the data input has done the gathering and the collection, then it may be store them for future reference or store them for the computer to use it later. Some of the storage here, we have some ROM and RAM. Then after that, it comes now the data manipulation. The actual data processing. This is the data manipulation to produce meaningful information. So the information that after you do it, you find the meaningful data or the meaningful information. Then the last one is data output, may be displayed on the screen or stored for future reference. If you The only thing that you have to do, you can like, you can subscribe, and you can also comment. Contact for more information. The number is here with you. Thank you very much.